Think wattage tells the full story of energy efficiency in LEDs? Think again. There's a silent factor behind the scenes, and it's called power factor. In this video, I'll show you how it affects your electricity bill and your lighting performance. Power factor is the ratio between real power, watts, and apparent power, volt-amps. In simple terms, it shows how efficiently your LED driver is converting electricity into useful light. A PF of 1.0 means perfect efficiency. A low PF means wasted energy, even if wattage looks low. An LED bulb with 10 watts and a power factor of 0.5 actually draws up to 20 volts amps from the power supply. That's more burden on your circuit and on the grid. In large quantities, like in offices or factories, this adds up to real power losses and extra electricity charges. Cheap LEDs often have PF below 0.6. You might see flickering, heating, or premature failure. High-quality LEDs have PF greater than 0.9 and comply with international standards like BIS, CE, or Energy Star power factor is not printed on most bulbs, but you can check it using a clamp meter with PF function power analyzer plug-in devices, or by checking BIS/UL certification on the box. Next time you buy LEDs, look for PF greater than or equal to 0.9. Buy from trusted brands. Avoid bulk, cheap imports for commercial use, because high PF equals more efficiency equals less stress on your system.